all this shit, man. This shit's crazy. It's getting really crazy down here. Downtown Charlotte. It's getting really fishy. It's fucking state troopers and fucking everything is over here. All I'm really doing is just chilling, bro. That's all I'm doing. I'm just gonna zoom this shit in, bro. I zooming in. When I zoom in, all I wanna say is one thing. When I zoom this shit in, y'all motherfuckers gonna pay attention. That's just how real it is, and all I'm trying to say. Like I got there to get to the top. If I can get outside of shit, I'm straight. If I can get outside, I'm pretty much straight. National Guard services everywhere. It's pretty cold. So, all kinds of another nigga, but it's pretty much straight. I mean, I'm cool and grounded. Fuck, I'm up to talk about. And first of all, I'm stoned, I'm fucked up. I'm just trying to make it home. But I know I'm just saying, like, at the same time, see, check this out. I feel as soon as I get down there, I'm gonna smoke a little bit of weed. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. Fucking people's like everything. But at the same time, when I get down there. But anyway, but check this out, like. But yeah, so anyway, I'm about to head back down here. What's up, bro? Oh, yeah. I got you. I'm a spare cigarette. Hold on. Body up.